my dear students, welcome back to mathsy.com. This is your Joyce ma'am. Today we are going to learn Binomial Theorem, Class 11 Math, Ncert. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Here we go. The binomial expansion for any positive integral n is given by Binomial Theorem, where a plus b the whole power n is equal to nc0a plus ncn minus 1 a power n minus 1 into b plus ncn minus 2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus ncn minus 3 a power n minus 3 into b cube plus etc. ncn minus 1 a into b power n minus 1 plus ncn b power n. The coefficients of binomial expansions are arranged in an array. This array is called Pascal's triangle. That's all for now in this video. Until we meet in the next video with the next set of concepts, take care. Bye-bye.